Ay, who's the other girl? Mimi. Mimi, ma'am? What's your name? Hello? So, Rihanna. Who's Rihanna? You are. Olive. Pink Olive. Olivia. And ma'am, are you celebrating your birthday as well? The beautiful girl in the... Yeah, like this, huh? Never mind, the two of them only, okay? Ma'am, no, where is the other girl? Pasita. Okay, Mimi. Sissy Mimi. Mimi, are you still here? Are you Mimi? I think she's not here anymore. Take it from here, ladies. There you go. Take it from here. If you know how to do it, just do it. If you do not know how to do it, you are a virgin this day. Oh, they know it. Oh, the professional.
Professional.
They don't need me. They don't need me to teach them anymore.
Right.
Yes. So you like a body shot?
Cheers.
With him? No? Oh, yun sabi, hindi pa.
Grabe naman tong bahay na ito. Gana-gani lang.
Bibilang pa ako. I'm going out first. Sige, sipsipin mo na lang yan. 1, 2, 3. Sipsipin mo. Sakit. Sorry. Hello. Alright, thank you very, very much. There you go, girls. Thank you, ladies. Sa barbibigyan ko dalawa.